Hi everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. Today we're gonna do a quiz of Coursera Anatomy Specialization second course, which is cardiovascular, respiratory and urinary system. Today our quiz is week 3 labeling quiz nasal cavity. So let's start our quiz. First question of the quiz is label 1 is pointing to the. Answer of this question is philtrum. Label 2 is pointing to the. Answer of this question is nasal columella. Label 3 is pointing to the. Answer of this question is ala of nose. Let's move to the next question. Label 4 is pointing to the. Answer of this question is nasal vestibule. Label 5 is pointing to the. Answer of this question is nares. Question number 6. Label 6 is pointing to the. Answer of this question is choana. Question number 7. Label 7 is pointing to the. Its answer is sphenoethmoidal recess. Label 8 is pointing to the. Its answer should be superior nasal meatus. Let's move to the next question. Label 9 is pointing to the. Its answer is middle nasal meatus. Label 10 is pointing to the. Its answer is inferior nasal meatus. Label 11 is pointing to the. Its answer is posterior ethmoidal cell. Label 12 is pointing to the. Its answer should be probe opening of sphenoidal sinus. Label 13 is pointing to the. Its answer is probe passing through frontal duct into ethmoidal infundibulum. Label 14 is pointing to the. Its answer is semilunar hiatus. Label 15 is pointing to the. Its answer is opening of anterior ethmoidal cells. Next question, label 16 is pointing to the. Its answer should be probe in opening of maxillary sinus. Label 17 is pointing to the. Its answer is probe in opening of nasolacrimal duct. Label 18 is pointing to the. Its answer should be oral vestibule. Label 19 is pointing to the. Its answer is oral cavity proper. Let's check our answers. First we have to submit it. As you guys can see, we got 100% marks. So you can crack them easily. So see you guys in next video. Take care. Goodbye.